Who said 1991 Ford Econoline is not able to pull? Let me show you. Looks like iVan going through its own crash test. Alright, here's the deal. It's a fully packed van right now with a lot of things that we're gonna put together into build, and as well as the large trailer on the back with 3 motorcycles, so the rear suspension is absolutely on the ground. But who said 1991 Ford Econoline is not able to pull? Let me show you. It's completely packed with a lot of stuff inside. You can see even insulation sticking out next to the window. I probably should put some zip ties here in order to hold it, because it's packed floor to, you know, top to bottom. But on the back you got the 700, right around 800 pounds trailer, 3 motorcycles, 500 pounds, 400 pounds, 400 pounds, and the van is completely packed. Let me show you what's gonna happen when we drop the trailer and get the suspension loaded. Yep, that's my alarm. It's a great idea to have it, right? I mean, look at that. Yes, it's a lifted van, but the rear suspension is completely on the floor, and this is 1991 Ford Econoline 5.8. We're towing the large trailer and we're having fun putting together a lot of stuff inside. This is iVan. Watch the series. You have to hit the subscribe button. I feel really sick and tired of repeating myself, as well as having the ball with this cold. So hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, watch the newest and coolest videos about the iVan build, motorcycle reviews, car reviews every single week. Just hit the subscribe and we'll see you soon.